Welcome to Stock Markets with KR. Stock Markets with KR में आपका स्वागत है. Today once again Nifty and Bank Nifty in under 5 minutes. Starting with Bank Nifty, hourly chart here is what we have. We can see opened the gap down और थोड़ा नीचे आया, लोज रीटेस्ट किया. हम लोग देख सकते हैं कि ये जो लेवल है 35,000 35,150 के आसपास का, that has acted as a consolidation zone, whether you call it accumulation, distribution, it really depends. But फिलहाल तो accumulation लग रहा है because we can see that the price has gone up from there, so that's a good sign. RSI is at 59 and a half, which is also very good. One thing, it is right at resistance, close resistance पे हुआ है, even though the close is above previous close. So I think थोड़ा सा resistance के अंदर close हुआ है, which might make it hard for tomorrow अगर कल कोई momentum वाला move नहीं आता. So unless we see some momentum, strong momentum happening tomorrow, I'm not quite sure कि कितना bullish हो सकता है. Maybe, for all we know, if tomorrow is going to be bullish, we might just see a gap up opening. But let's see how that goes. Overall, अगर broader sense में देखें, so वी कैन सी फिलहाल तो काफी अच्छा लग रहा है. अगर ये लेवल तोड़ा होता, अगर 35,000 का लेवल तोड़ा होता, देन इट वुड हैव बीन लाइकली दैट इट वुड हैव क्रिएटेड अ लोअर लो in the ultra short term. We can see, in the past 1 or 2 weeks, it would have created a lower low, which is obviously not very good, which would have indicated कि शायद थोड़ा bearishness आ रहा है. Abhi, according to that Dow theory, same if we go, then breaking that level 35,720 ka level is very crucial for Bank Nifty to retain its bullish trend, in my view. Removing all of the drawings, getting just moving averages here, we can see it's taken support right around 50 moving average, which is great. 13 MA also breached, which is a bullish sign according to me in my books. So let's see how it goes. 5 minute चार्ट जस्ट रियल क्विक एक बार फटाफट से देख लेते हैं. हम लोग देख सकते हैं काफी कंसोलिडेशन हुआ. आई थिंक ऑप्शन बायर्स वुड हैव हैड अ वेरी डिफिकल्ट डे टू डे, टू से द लीस्ट, क्योंकि काफी प्रीमियम डीके हुआ होगा. एंड जो ओपनिंग हाई है उसके बाद ही हम लोग ने थोड़ा मोमेंटम देखा. उसके पहले थोड़ा सा रेंज बाउंड था, बड़ा ग्रीन कैंडल, एंड आफ्टर दैट स्मॉलर रेड कैंडल्स एंड सो ऑन. सो आई थिंक whenever we're seeing large green candles followed by smaller red candles, I think that is one of the signals that the overall trend or the overall sentiment is still bullish. Maybe it's smart money buying, and then foolish money, if you can call it that, shorting or something like that, possibly. But we can see कि जो size of the green candles है, that is much more. RSI above 60 cross here, and after that it gave us a good 100-point move, which is actually not crazy good in Bank Nifty terms, क्योंकि वो तो एक 5 मिनट के कैंडल में हो सकता है. But it is what it is. Now coming to Nifty 60-minute chart is very interesting. We can see open gap down, obviously. और ये जो लेवल है, पहला सपोर्ट उसको तोड़ के ही आया था. उसके बाद हम लोग ने थोड़ा बाइंग देखा in the second hour or so, but that was also rejected. The next candle was below the previous candle's low, which is obviously not a good sign. और उसके बाद ये वाला जो लेवल है 470 का, again it's a level I've already mentioned. Make sure you're checking the descriptions, by the way. Description always has the levels that I use, along with many other free resources that I recommend, or at least I feel are good enough or have helped me. So make sure you check the description, and while you're at it, you can also like the video, subscribe to me, comment. You can do whatever you want. It's a free world. Just do all these things, please. But anyway, back to the point. 470 का support लिया, 500 reject किया था naturally starting में, but 500 फिर से accept किया. And the beautiful thing is that the close is just 10 points shy of 15,600, which is a positive thing, I think. क्लोज की बात करें, इट इज राइट एट दैट फिब एक्सटेंशन लेवल. तो वंस अगेन बैंक निफ्टी के जैसे ही रेजिस्टेंस जोन में ही क्लोज हुआ है निफ्टी, विच इज नॉट अ वेरी प्लेजेंट साइन. बट ठीक है, जो सेकेंड हाफ का रिलीफ रैली था, दैट रियली हेल्प थिंग्स क्वाइट अ लॉट. अगर ये मैंने ट्रेंड लाइन ड्रॉ किया था, ये ट्रेंड लाइन ड्रॉ करने के बाद अगर ये ट्रेंड लाइन के हिसाब से ही जाते, तो हम लोग को अराउंड 40 पॉइंट्स मिल जाते, विच वुड हैव पॉसिबली बिन अराउंड मोर लाइक 10 और 12 पॉइंट्स इन एन ऑप्शन, विच इज, it's not the best, but it's not bad either. So that is what Nifty is showing on the 5 minute chart. Coming back to the moving averages, hiding all the drawings, we can see 50 MA tak pahuncha nahi tha Nifty, which means ki Bank Nifty corrected a little more on a moving average scale, but it is above the 13 MA, which is good. In terms of the option chain, we can see ki काफी सारा call negative change है 16,000 पे, which is not a very good sign, possibly because थोड़ा सेंटिमेंट चेंज हुआ होगा, शायद थोड़ा प्रॉफिट बुकिंग हुआ होगा, which might have been the reason for this. Bank Nifty में भी similar होगा actually. Bank Nifty का as the expiry nears, the OI becomes a little dusty to view, but this is what it looks like. Again, positive hai, bullish hai OI as of now. And ITC was actually a top stock in focus because after the result it went down, possibly accounting for the dividend announcement. But these are the results for today and for tomorrow. इसका result already आ गया है, बाकी सबका result मेरे को idea नहीं है कब आएगा या कैसा होगा. But most of those stocks aren't very major. So anyway, that's it for this one. If you like this, make sure you like it. If you really liked it, then make sure you subscribe. It all helps me out a bunch. Anyway, that's it for this one. See you the next. Happy trading.